Super Memos AI is a brand new tool that's quickly making waves, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you've heard of it or not, stick around until the end, because this software has some features that could completely change how you work with AI tools. And the best part? You can try it for free through the first link in the description. First off, Super Memos AI stands out because it focuses on memory-based learning. Unlike other tools that just help you with basic tasks, Super Memos is designed to improve your long-term retention of information. It's like having a personal study coach that knows exactly how much information to present to you and when. This means you won't just learn faster, you'll retain it for much longer, which is a game changer for anyone trying to learn new skills or manage large amounts of information. Now, let's dive into the features. One of the key things that sets Super Memos apart is its powerful algorithm. It adapts based on how well you're learning, so it gives you personalized sessions. It tracks your progress and continuously optimizes what you're learning, ensuring you're always focusing on the right material at the right time. If you've ever struggled with traditional learning methods that don't feel tailored to your pace, this is a game changer. Next, Super Memos AI integrates seamlessly with various content formats. Whether you're working with text, audio, or even images, it can help you convert them into structured learning modules. This versatility makes it perfect for anyone who needs to turn complex or diverse content into something digestible and memorable. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just looking to master a new skill, this is one of the features you'll love. Another standout feature is its spaced repetition system. Super Memos uses an advanced spaced repetition algorithm, meaning it automatically increases the intervals at which you review information to optimize memory retention. The result? You won't need to cram or go over things constantly to remember them in the long run. This is crucial for anyone looking to get serious about learning, whether for personal development or professional growth. One of the reasons Super Memos AI is receiving such positive feedback is because of its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with this software. The dashboard is simple, and setting up your first learning module is intuitive. If you've been hesitant about trying AI-powered learning tools because they seem too complicated, Super Memos is definitely worth checking out. Now, something you might find useful, Super Memos has a community-driven approach to its development. They actively encourage feedback from users and make regular updates based on suggestions. This means you're not just getting a static product, you're getting something that will continue to evolve, which is a big win in the fast-paced world of AI tools. Finally, if you're worried about integrating Super Memos AI into your existing workflow, don't be. The software is designed to work well alongside other productivity tools you might already be using. It integrates with Google Drive, Notion, and a range of other platforms, making it easy to import and export content without any hassle. For anyone who's already invested in other productivity apps, this feature alone makes Super Memos a powerful addition to your toolbox. So there you have it. The 7 crucial things you need to know about Super Memos AI. Whether you're looking to boost your memory, learn faster, or just need a reliable tool to help manage large amounts of information, this software offers an impressive solution. Don't forget, you can try Super Memos for free using the link below and check out the other AI tools I recommend based on thousands of tests.